Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. In this episode we're going to take a look at the Welly version of the Mini. So on the window box it says 1:60 scale, Mini Cooper series. And on the bottom some other info. Nothing much on the other sides of the box. So let's take a look at the car itself. So these have a little lip here that you can pull. You can pull out the complete cardboard piece. So here we have it. Let's first take a look at the base. Welly number such and such, made in China, Mini Cooper 1300. That's the engine size in cc. So these tires are kind of like rubber tires, but a very hard rubber. The rims are basically the same on most of the Welly cars. So there's a chrome door handle, there's one side view mirror on the driver's side. This is a left-hand drive version. There's a chrome stripe on the rocker panel, and in the back we got the taillights, we got the chrome handle to open up the boot or trunk. We got the license plate that says Mini Cooper 1300, and we also got on the right side of it again the Mini Cooper 1300 badge, and we got a chrome bumper that in this case is a separate plastic piece, and a little tailpipe here, exhaust pipe I mean, as part of the base. Same on this side. In the front we get the headlights, a plastic insert for the grille I believe that is. Yeah, some chrome striping on it, and again the Mini Cooper 1300 badge, which is very detailed, so small. We got some smaller lights underneath the headlights, and I think there's even some lights down there. And again a chrome bumper that is a separate piece. And here we got some painted windscreen wipers and a rearview mirror in the windscreen, and a nice interior. And then this black part is a plastic top, so that way they do that probably because then they can also make a convertible version out of it. So they don't have to make two different castings, they just put on a different top. So all in all, a very nice version of the Mini by Welly. Maybe a little bit too big. I think it's bigger than 1:60 scale if I'm honest, but all in all very nicely done. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.